everyone. My name is Harshita Ramesh Patil. I am studying 9th standard from Sri MP Sonone English Medium School, Wagli, and we are gathered here for celebrating the Diwali occasion, which is very popular in India, as well as it's celebrate in foreign countries also, because there is also some Indians which gone out there. So we should know more information about Diwali. So in Diwali, first occasion is we can see here Diwali design and rangoli and whole lamp lighting. In India, it's considered as lamp lighting is the new beam of light in everyone's life. When we lamp the light, that time it's give us the all over the sun ray. It's look like a light and sun rays. So it's the importance of the lamp lighting in India. In each and every festival, we just starting the program also, we firstly lamp the lighting lamp of the festival. So here is next setup is Dhanteradasi. As we look here is some sweet, some money also, some food grains as a wheat, then rice and some type of grains is present here. Do you know my friends? These are very important in India. It's a culture of India. Indian people consider as a money is a goddess in their life. They just worship of the money. And the next setup is Lakshmi Pujan. So friend, as I told you, goddess Lakshmi is the goddess of money. India is the first country who consider goddess Lakshmi as a goddess of money. As we see here, the different type of the food items which are very sweet. Actually, my mouth is watering actually, because here is really sweet dishes are present over here. And wow, what a nice rangoli design present here. Everything is really good in Lakshmi Pujan. It's very important festival in Diwali and occasion which is celebrating each and every person who is from India. Then the next is my favorite, which is Bhau-Beej. Here is one girl who is the sister of this one boy. He is a brother, and this is the difference between Raksha Bandhan and Bhau-Beej. On Raksha Bandhan, sister tie the Rakhi to brother, and brother should be give to sister. But on Bhau-Beej, sister should be worship of her brother, that keeping volume on his forehead and just making some worship and give him blessings, and sister should give the gift to his brother, and they just making the relationship between the brother and sister, and the promise brother should be promised to sister that he will secure her in whole life. This is the importance of this festival, and sister should give gift to her brother on this occasion. That's why it's most important occasion in this Diwali. So friends, it's whole information about Diwali and the occasion which is celebrated in Diwali. I want to remember for once again that this is the celebration, rangoli design and whole things. Here is the Dhanteradasi setup. Here is Lakshmi Pujan setup, whole sweets and all. And here is Bhau-Beej, which is very important in this occasion. Thank you, friends. Happy Diwali.